Today we will show you how to make Genmaicha Latte. Tasty aroma of roasted grains in the Genmaicha goes well with milk, just like Matcha Latte. But Genmaicha is milder and easier to drink. Recipe and more information is on JapaneseCooking101.com. Genmaicha is a green tea mixed with roasted rice. It is considered as an everyday tea in Japan, but its roasted flavor makes it stand out from other types of Japanese green tea. In a teapot, add the tea leaves and pour boiling hot water. And we are going to cover and brew to desired strength from 30 seconds to a couple of minutes. Meanwhile, froth the milk using a milk frother, or you can also just heat the milk in a pot. Pour the hot tea in a mug, and you can add the sugar or sweetener of choice if you like, and pour the milk. You can use any milk of choice, such as soy milk. If you would like to make it look fancy, add some matcha powder on top, just like that, but it's totally optional. Genmaicha Latte is a nice and mild warm drink, perfect during the cold season. Hope you enjoy it.
美味しいね。